Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy JD over here at JD Customs. Just want to show y'all another harness. This one here that you're looking at is an Ls1 harness in ECM. It's 98. Came in a 1998 Camaro. I reworked the harness for standalone. You can see it has the new loom on there. The complete harness has been thinned out and reloomed. It has all the necessary connectors to run the engine and the transmission. The top corner up here you have the transmission connectors, which is in the top left corner. But we're going to go down here to the ECM. This right here is flashed. This is this combo setup that you get, by the way. This setup, if you do the harness and the ECM, it costs $400 if you send it to me and I'll reflash it. But you do the combo, you get a free tune if you're local, and you can bring me the setup. Anyway, you see it comes off the main harness here. You got this little branch that comes down to your fuse box. You have these wires here that you have to hook up. It's real simple. These are the main wires you hook up here. You have a battery wire, fuel pump, ignition wire. This is a ground for the fuse box only. The harness and the ECM have their own grounds. There's 3 grounds over here that you hook up. 1, 2, and then you have a third one right here. 3. Those 3 grounds will power up the harness, the engine, and the ECM and everything. This ground powers up the relays in the fuse panel. So you hook these main wires up here, that'll make it run. This one also comes with a fan 1 control and a fan 2 control. All the relays, whoops, upside down. All the relays are, I was actually waiting on some relays to come in, so I just put these stickers here to show you where they would go. But these are the relays here. I mean, these are the fuses that run the engine here. These 4 are all hooked up. Well, these 3 are hooked up for the engine. This one's hooked up for the fuel pump relay. These 2 are ran for the 2 relays that would be sitting here for fan 1 and fan 2. This is the main ignition relay. This is the fuel pump relay. So you get that fuse box. It comes with the little clippies here to mount it to your firewall or wheel well, whatever have you. And that's it. You come down the main branch. You have these wires here, which are the gauge wires when they come labeled. This is vehicle speed sensor, plugs into your speedometer. This is the tach wire. This is your RPM gauge. This is the TCC brake. This wire operates the lockup converter, and it goes to the brake pedal switch. If you have any questions on how to hook this up, just send me a comment, leave me a message, and I'll help you out. This one here is the OBD connection. If you want for me to put an actual OBD port on your harness, then just let me know what length you need it and I can hook it up. But most time I just leave it like this, so you can just run this 1 wire to your OBD port and you can plug in a scanner and do what you need to do there. This is a check engine light. This is a ground wire that plugs directly into the check engine light. So if there's any codes, then this will light up the light. That's something that you need to check out, because when I flash the ECM, I clear all the codes for the EGR, the Cadillac converters, downstream O2s, all that gets cleared out. So if there's a light on, or if the check engine light is on, then that's something that you need to address. Alright, there it is. 98 Camaro LS1, reworked, $400. Y'all give me a holler.